Well, Saturday morning, I'm off work and it's nice and sunny. I'm going to go and pop out to my workshop, have a little bit of a potter around before we go out and find something else to do. You enjoying the sun there, Hope? Well, this week I got myself a little Bluetooth transmitter receiver. It's also an FM transmitter as well, so it can be used in a car with no auxiliary ports and Bluetooth. And I've got it on a little bracket I made there, so I can unplug my speakers, plug it into that, listen to my audio book and stream music. We have got our music collection on the tablet here, about 40 hours worth of music all in, generally on random play. But nice to have my audiobooks and modern music. Hope. Finally got to the water, Hope. Hilbury Island in the distance. Well, that was a nice walk. Right up until Hope's cut on her leg opened up again. I'm walking back for the car. Len and Hope are walking onto a little slipway so I can go and pick them up. Well, we're back home, just had some lunch. Hope's paw's alright, it's only a small cut. I've had a little bit of a tidy around in here. I'm not going to make it all messy again. I've still got some carpentry tools that need cleaning up. A couple of pliers and a pair of pincers. Let's see what we can do. Rude not to. while the paint was drying on this. Just a sympathetic coat. Looks quite good. Cleaned up the handle on this old chisel, leaving one of my granddad's fingerprints behind. Give it a quick polish. Now I'm going to sharpen the blade. Well, that's another one all finished and sharp. I'm going to go in now and cook dinner. I'm going to say thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you all very soon. Hi, Hobie. How's your poorly paw? You alright? If you like this video, please hit the like button, and for more videos, please subscribe.